Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make group on Uber Rides. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Perhaps you want to arrive at a wedding at the same time as your friends or split your weekly grocery delivery with your roommates. Uber's new feature will now make that possible. The company on Wednesday announced the updates at Goals Gets to annual product showcase. So, how to do it though if you want to create a group on your Uber rides? It's very simple. So first of all, first you have to open our Uber app. Now you can go to your account in here. And you'll find there is an option Safe Group. As you can see in here, it's a new feature from Uber. You can just choose on that. And in here, you can create new group. I already have one group that I create. I want to create another one. You can choose on create a new group. You can enter the group name. I will create this group name. Now, you can choose on create group, and now you can add people to your group. And here's what you can do. You can book ride, you can send gift in this group. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create group on Uber. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.